Well, here I am about to install a Buffalo brand 8-inch air horn to Roadmaster. There's the unit, compressor and horn. And you have to remove the seat to get access to the battery. Remove the ECU with one bolt to reveal the battery. This is the cable that's provided. The red going to the positive, and this is like negative going to the negative, and it comes out here to hook up to the horn. Quite simple. The battery all hooked up, ECU back in place, and the cable just sits with all the other cabling. Fuse goes in here after everything's been connected. I'm just going to route the wiring up into here. So this here's the horn cable. That's the socket that goes to the existing horn, which is on the other side, and that's the power which connects to the new horn. So we've got to attach the horn to here, mounting, and that holds it in place while you put the cover back on. So there's the horn and compressor. Let's see what the ratchet is. It's the securing stud. Just do that up loosely at the moment because the cover goes back over 1, 2, 3. There we have it. So this is the plug power that goes into this power, giving the horn its own power, and that is the switch. Oops, there we go. There's the switch there. Sorry about the erratic movement. I need to lift the tank up to install 2 cable ties to secure the cabling above the top of the rear cylinder. So we're about to secure the compressor cover and the horn, and with 3 new Allen screws. Obviously the a little bit longer than stock. Just about done. So all done. Now for a sound test. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow. And I was a bit concerned that the shorter one wouldn't be loud enough. But certainly is. Well, cheers to Buffalo brand. Awesome product. Easy installation, all up, I think about tops an hour. That's between me farting around doing other things and getting sidetracked. And having the odd coffee. So if you're just focused on it, and I'm also cramped inside a container, so if I was in the shed, I reckon half an hour installation, easy peasy. So there you go, thanks a lot. Hope you got something out of this. Cheers.